Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afreen, and in this video I will tell you how can you reduce your scratch marks. So if you are a mommy and if you are a mommy to be, then I will clear you one thing, that you should not apply any chemical based product because it's not good for your baby. So be aware, okay? And according to some doctor, there's nothing exactly thing by which you can reduce your scratch marks, but yes, you can get light or get down them gradually. So yeah, in this video I will tell you one remedy which helps to reduce your scratch marks, which is coconut oil. You should apply coconut oil to from your second trimester or from your 4 or 5 month of pregnancy, and do continue this for a couple of months. And along with that, you should do walk while your pregnancy, half an hour 3 times in a day. It will really helpful, and it also helps to reduce your post pregnancy weight. And if this not helpful for you, and if any case there's a lots of scratch marks do you have, then I suggest that you should rush to your doctor. And yes, of course, I want to mention one thing, which is, if any case you will not get rid of your scratch marks, then please, mommies, don't be embarrassed, because this is the first painting of your baby, so be proud of it. Because there's only few ladies who really care about their scratch marks, but if you are going out, and you will see there's lots of ladies who just doesn't care about their scratch marks, because they proud to be them, because they think this scratch marks is a first painting of their baby. So mommies, I think this I hope this remedy helps you. If it will helpful for you, then please tell me in the comment box, because I love to hear this thing. And if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. And of course, do follow me on Instagram also. And yes, in this video that's it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.